I am the Tofu Golem. Please enjoy the video.
In this video, I will show you how to open your Kia Soul key fob. First, locate the small release button on the side of your key fob. Press this button firmly to release the emergency key. Once released, gently pull the emergency key straight out from the fob. This step is crucial as it reveals the slot you'll use to pry open the casing. Be careful not to force anything during this initial process. Let's get started with the next step. Now that the emergency key is removed, you'll see a small slot inside the opening. Take a small, flathead screwdriver or a similar thin tool. Carefully insert the tip of the screwdriver into this slot. With a gentle twisting motion, apply slight pressure to pry the two halves of the key fob apart. You should hear a small click as the casing begins to separate. Avoid using excessive force to prevent damage. Once the key fob is open, you'll see the small coin cell battery inside. Take note of its orientation, usually with the positive side facing up. Gently pry out the old battery, which is typically a CR2032 type. Now, insert your new CR2032 battery, ensuring the positive side is facing the same direction as the old one. This ensures proper function. Make sure it sits securely in its compartment before proceeding to close the fob. To reassemble your key fob, carefully align the two halves of the casing. Press them firmly together until you hear a satisfying click, indicating they are securely closed. Don't forget to reinsert the emergency key back into its slot until it locks into place. Your key fob should now be fully functional with a fresh battery. For more great deals and to check out the smart speaker mentioned, be sure to look at the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.